Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joey with J&B Landscaping, and today I will be resurfacing my bathtub at my rental property with toughest tile. So I just want to do a quick video on how to apply the product and how to prep your bathtub, and 5 quick tips on what will really help you do this, what you absolutely need to do to apply this stuff and just to keep you safe as well. So tip number 5, you need to have proper ventilation. You need to try to have your windows open, the doors open, and have a fan blowing while after you get done applying the toughest tile, because it's very, I wouldn't say very toxic, but it'll get you high and make you sick, give you a headache, so you want to wear a mask. And when you're done with this, you want to leave the property for a good 4 or 5 hours, just because you don't want to get those fumes in your head, so that's number 5. And then number 4, you're going to need a roller brush. You're going to need a tray, of course, gloves. Step number, or the 3rd tip I would say, is when you're doing it, you want to work from the top down. So you want to go from the furthest area to the closest area with the bathtub. But if you're doing tile, you want to start with the top and work your way down, because you're going to have to work through drips, and it's very thin, so you're going to want to have to work from, and you don't want to get on your clothes or anything like that. So you're going to do from top down and from furthest in. Tip number 2. You're going to want to do light coats. You're not going to want to do thick coats. You want to do a light coat, and when you're done with the first coat, do a 2nd coat, and then a 3rd coat. So you want to do 3 coats on the bathtub. The reason for doing light coats is so that you don't have a lot of drips. So you do light coats, and then every like 10 minutes, if you see a drip, just go back over it with your brush. So I'm going to show you guys everything that we need to get started, and I'm also going to show you guys how to do everything. So get ready for the video. This should be a good one, and I will show you guys the project. Alright guys, so this is the box that everything came in. So in this box here, there was a pair of gloves, these scratch pads, and the actual paint that's gonna go on the bathtub. So I had to provide my own paintbrush. I just got a smaller one, because the only reason I got this one is to go in between, like around the actual drain, around here and around here, and just do the outside corner. Everything else I'm gonna roll on. So I have my mask, ventilated mask, and then my paint roller. I just got the small roller for this, put it on, the plastic tray, and I had purchased all this stuff Homedepot. So you can get everything in the paint section. They'll show you around. I'll leave a description in the video. But that's it. So I am about to go ahead and get started. Alrighty. Round 2. Third coat. Third coat. Third coat. Found one problem. I put a little bit too much around the thing. So now I gotta try to wipe it out of there a bit. There we go. That looks good, right? Alright, let's do it. Third. Put a little bit. Put a little bit more in there. I don't think I need to do the sides. I've got a small section. Thanks. Alright guys, so this is the third and final coat. I went ahead and redid the bathtub, so now you guys know how to do that. It was basically just really brushing it. You had to clean it out really good. And other than that, it was just really painting. Give it about, I'd say 30 minutes to 45 minutes in between times of painting it. Do 3 coats, and make sure you wear a mask because that smells no joke. So, but yeah, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate whoever watched the video all the way through, and look forward to seeing you at the next one.